Tamil Nadu elections go, Coimbatore is the keenly watched constituency. It's the hotly contested seat because K. Annamalai, the state president of the BJP, is fielded against DMK's Ganapathy P. Rajkumar and AIADMK's Singai Ramachandran. It is a three-cornered contest as far as Coimbatore is concerned, and Annamalai is confident that not just in Coimbatore but across Tamil Nadu, BJP will show surprises. And as per the VIP constituencies and mega exit poll, News 18 mega exit polls, Annamalai has a higher probability of winning Coimbatore constituency, likely to win Coimbatore as per the News 18 mega exit poll. And as far as Tamil Nadu numbers go, the prediction says that DMK and its allies, the India bloc, will get anywhere between 36 and 39. NDA will get anywhere between 1 and 3, and the AIADMK and its allies together will get between 0 to 2. Annamalai, after reacting to the News 18 mega exit polls, told CNN News 18 that BJP will get minimum 20% vote share and will also win more than 3 seats, and says that BJP has already made inroads and that it will win more than 3 seats, and BJP will definitely show surprising results in Tamil Nadu on the 4th of June. But as far as Coimbatore is concerned, every political analyst and everyone is of the view that it's going to be a neck-to-neck fight because Annamalai also has a higher probability and there's a likely chance of Annamalai winning Coimbatore constituency. And among the states, Coimbatore is also one of the keenly watched elections because BJP star campaigners from Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Home Minister Amit Shah did campaign aggressively in Tamil Nadu and also in Coimbatore. Therefore, Coimbatore is one of the keenly watched constituencies on the 4th of June. Annamalai and the BJP hopeful that BJP will definitely win Coimbatore and other constituencies as well. So all eyes on the 4th of June, and we'll have to wait and see whether Annamalai is likely to win Coimbatore because that's what our prediction says.